108. Welcome back. This is lecture number 2 now. Lesson 1, Rational and Irrational Numbers. Practice set 1.1. In first lecture we have seen question number 1. Now in the second lecture we will see question number 2. This is a very important question. It comes for the examination. Question number 1 also comes for the examination. So take care. Observe the number line and answer the questions. This is the number line. These are the 3 questions. So I have kept the place here to write the answers. So what is this number line? First of all we will analyze this number line. Here it is 0. This point is O. Here it is 1. This is point F. And this is 2. And before that this point is C. Between 2 and 3 it is D. So from 0 to 1, how many divisions are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means this point is 1 upon 4. This is 2 upon 4. This is 3 upon 4. That we should understand it. And this is 4 upon 4. 4 upon 4 means 1. Similarly, this is 1 upon 4. This is 2 upon 4. This is 3 upon 4. And this is 4 upon 4. That is nothing but 1. So this way it is written. They have not given this. This they have not given. This is not given. But we can understand from the number line what it is. Okay. Now if I want to see this is 4 upon 4 and this is 5 upon 4. This is 6 upon 4 and this will be 7 upon 4. So that C point indicates 7 upon 4. Or in other terms you can say 1 is completed. So 1 integer. After that this is number 1, 1 upon 4. This point will be 1 integer. 1 is completed. 1 integer. Second point 2 upon 4. And this is 1 integer. 1 is completed. 1 integer. This is the third point 3 upon 4. This way you can analyze this very well. Okay. Now about D also we will talk and then afterwards we will go on solving these questions. Ahead of 2, this is 2. This is 1 integer. This is 1 upon 4 after 2. Means 2 is nothing but this is 8 upon 4. Up to this was 4 upon 4. This is 5 upon 4, 6 upon 4, 7 upon 4 and this will be 8 upon 4. And that way it has come 2. Now what is this D point? After this 2, how many points? 1, 2. So 2 is completed, 2 integer. 1 to 2. How many divisions? 4. 2 integer 2 upon 4. Okay. So you have understood this now, how to do it. So upon 4 means there are 4 divisions, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4. That is nothing but 1. This is 5 upon 4, this is 6 upon 4, this is 7 upon 4 and this point is 8 upon 4 and nothing but 2. This is 9 upon 4, this is 10 upon 4, this is 11 upon 4 and this is 12 upon 4 and this is 4, 3s are 12, 3. So this is 10 upon 2. Understood this. Now we will try to write the answer. Which number is indicated by point B? B minus 2 integer is completed. Minus answer. B indicates. I am writing in short, you write the point B indicates. the number which 2 is completed and which 2 completed, minus 2 is completed. After that 1 and this is 2. 2 upon how much? 4. Minus 2 integer 2 upon 4. That we will write. But this you can reduce it. 2 ones are 2 twos are. That is equal to minus 2 integer 1 upon 2. Hope that you have understood. Now if you want to write in the numerator and denominator form, then 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1 5, and this is minus, so minus 5 upon 2. Understood this? Minus 2 integer 1 and 2 upon 4. Hope that you have understood this. This is minus 1 means minus 4 upon 4, minus 5 upon 4, minus 6 upon 4, minus 7 upon 4, minus 8 upon 4. That is nothing but 2. This is minus 9 upon 4, this is minus 10 upon 4. So this will be minus 10 upon 4. And 10 upon 4 is nothing but 10 divided by 4, it is negative, minus 2 and 5 are nothing but minus 5 upon 2. 10 upon 4 and 5 upon 2 is one and the same thing. That is the only writing way. Hope that you have understood. Which point indicates the number 1 integer 3 upon 4? Means 1 integer means 1 is completed. After that 3 divisions. So 1 integer is this. 3 divisions. 1, 2, 3. It is the C point. So 1 integer, third division out of this 4. So the point C. Answer, the point C indicates this all will be same. Indicates the number 1 integer 3 upon 4. Remaining things you write. Straight true or false. The point D indicates the number 5 upon 2. D I will search. I have done it. This is 8 upon 4. 9 upon 4. This is 10 upon 4. And 10 upon 4. Answer. D indicates 10 upon 4. It's 10 upon 4. And that is nothing but 2 twos are and 2 fives are equal to 5 upon 2. Therefore, it is true. Hope that you have understood all this. So, this is a very, very important question. Don't forget this. So, in the next lecture, we will start exercise 1.2 now. But by this, it's all for the today's lecture. So, all the best.